Okay, so what we have is the Allen and Roth raised panel drawer kit 0339220. There's a whole bunch of other numbers that go along with it. What I've got here is I've got the panels that I'm setting out. There's parts A through F. You got the front panel here I'm working with. It's right in front of me. I'm just opening the one side of the screws so you can get them out, and I show you the letters that are on there. It's easier to pull them out that way if you cut it with one side. Here's the directions. We're first going to take a cam bolt and we're going to put that in the front panel. You see I point out the holes. They're the smaller of the holes, slightly smaller than the dowel holes. So you got 4 cam bolts on the front panel. And the front panel's A as in atom or apple. Then what I'm doing is I'm taking one of the looks like the side panels, and I'm going to put the dowels in. Now I'm using a little glue. Be careful with the glue because it can expand, so they probably say not to use glue, so you got to use just a little dot of glue if you would like, but again, that's up to you. That's actually that back panel. Now I'm doing the side panel, so I'm doing panel C or B, and they've got the grooves, so you line up the grooves and the dowels, you push them in so the grooves all run together, and that groove is for your bottom panel. I'm putting in the screws. I'm using the EE, the M4 by 25 millimeter wood screws. There's 2 on each side. Then the other 2 putting in here. So we get those screws in. Now we're going to stand it up. We're going to slide in the back panel. This is the bottom panel actually. This is E as in Edward. Make sure you put the stickers down so people don't see those. Then we're putting in the dowels in the bigger holes, putting on the face plate, which is A. Again, A is an atom. We're cinching that down. Now I'm getting some of the cam locks. Now you can't see it here, but I'm illustrating that it looks like a U shape, the cam. You want to put that down. That will go seat over the cam bolt, and then it's like a 3/4 turn. It locks them in. It's real simple. They won't push in if you have them started the wrong way. And so there's 2 on each side. Put those in. They cinch up really nicely. If they don't, if your wood doesn't close up flush, there's an issue. Now I'm putting on the handle. That's labeled GG. G as in George, GG. Get that on nice and tight. And now it's the rails. So the rails, you just want to make sure that the open end is towards the back on the rail, and line up the screw with the circle that's in the rail, and just center that, and the screw will seat perfectly in that. You love my filming here. Thanks. Sorry about that. I think maybe I show a little bit more on this one. Nope, gonna miss it as well. Well, yeah, that's what I get, huh? So you can't go wrong. Again, I bought this from Lowe's. This is their Allen Roth, and I paid about $50 a drawer. They were out of stock and on back order, but it was kind of weird. I checked while I was in another state on vacation, just curious. So here is the finished product, and thank you very much, guys.